Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make the creamiest miso coconut butter beans, absolutely perfect for cozy nights or easy weeknight dinners. Seriously, this dish is so simple, but it tastes like you spent hours making it. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, grab 2 cans of butter beans, rinse and drain them well. In a large skillet, drizzle a splash of olive oil and heat it over medium. Toss in half a diced onion and let that soften for about 5 minutes. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook until fragrant, just a minute or so. Now here's where the magic happens. Stir in 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. Let it melt into the onions and garlic, and trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and give it a good stir until everything is combined and creamy. Add the butter beans and simmer on low for about 10 minutes. The beans will soak up all that flavor and the sauce thickens up beautifully. Season with salt, black pepper and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten everything up. If you like a little kick, toss in some red pepper flakes. To serve, spoon it over rice or scoop it up with crusty bread. Maybe sprinkle some fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley on top if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it. Creamy, dreamy miso coconut butter beans that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow home cooks. See you in the next one.